Alright, yeah, I just came back from Palama supermarket and got the macro pipe, and yeah, what I'm doing is now washing my rice, rinsing, and I got this $15 rice cooker from Walmart. Yeah, 7-cup rice cooker, and it also comes with this cup for measuring. So yeah, I got 2 cups, okay, right in it. Rinse it, and then now ready to cook. Put it in and work on it. Alright, here we go. This is the rice cooker I got from Walmart. Yeah, 15 bucks so far. Okay, and yeah, name on aroma. Very cheap rice cooker. Okay, the top portion using the steamer. We're not gonna do steam today. Just the rice. Okay, and then right here inside there's a marker. It says 2 cups. Right? So I'm gonna fill the water up to 2 cups. Okay. Kind of down. So yeah. I'll do is let me turn on the light on the kitchen. There we go. A little more brighter. Okay. Now 2 cups is right there. Okay, so there you go. Just about 2 cups. Okay. So it makes it easy because it comes with a cup already. Then, yeah, the measuring cup. Then, so there we go. This is the 2-cup portion that I washed. The rice, and then yeah, put it in. Very easy and simple rice cooker. 15 bucks. In the past I bought Tiger and a name brand type, 100 bucks and so rice cooker. Now some of them are even way more. But wanted to see how these cheap rice cookers are from Walmart. So there we go. Okay. Put this up here and then let me even it out. Yep. Okay, evened out. Plug it in. And close. And then it's warm, so cook. And voila. Okay. Temporary pause, and then we'll take a look later when it's cooked. Yeah, the rice is still cooking. It's been cooking for the past 7 minutes, and yeah, you can actually see the rice cooking inside because the cover is glass, see-through, and it's still cooking. So I'll put a pause, and then we'll get to it when it cooks. Alright, it has been, yeah, as a timer right here, it has been 14 minutes cooking, and wow, you can see all these bubbles. Yeah, it's really cooking. Yeah, steam's coming. Ooh, you can feel it. So yeah, this one you can actually watch it. You know, when I was using a while back a Tiger, the expensive one, you couldn't really see anything because it was a solid cover. But this one is glass cover, so you can actually see the cooking process. Yeah. And it is going at it. So yeah, never really seen how rice cook, but now I get to see it. And now it's going into being cooked 15 minutes. Okay, so let's keep on watching. Okay, I'll pause it and then continue later when it's cooked. Okay, this now looking at the timer, this now has been 20 minutes. Okay, and then as you can see, yeah, water is almost gone. Yeah, there's still a little left, a little bubbling. and it is cooking good. So yeah, almost. All right, it just switched to warm, so it's finished cooking, and it took 24 minutes. Okay, so yeah, 24 minutes, and it looks good. Yeah, so okay, it says leave it warming, right after finish cooking, about 30 minutes. But yeah, kind of like I guess it needs to steam a little. Okay, so but 30 minutes. Okay, we'll wait a little bit. Okay, I'll put a pause on it again. All right, yeah, it's only a few minutes more. Right now, 27 minutes. Yeah, cooking. So let me take it out. Okay. Not too much patient, am I? Okay, so oh yeah, cooking is good. Okay, I'll take out a portion that I'm gonna eat. Oh, a little bit soggy, so I guess yeah, maybe should have steamed it a little more, but it's good. Okay. Okay. All right. Now that's my eating portion. And I got this microwave bowl. See, what I'll do is I'll put some here, the rest of it, and I'll microwave tomorrow and eat it. Yeah. So this has, yeah. And hot. Okay. Yeah, I guess if I wait a little more, then okay, less soggy. Oh, it's already getting good, fluffy. Yeah. So, and right now, I guess, yeah, it's not sticking to the bottom, so it's good. Oh, it makes it easy to clean. Okay, and this has been cooking with the cheap 7-cup rice cooker from Walmart, and I'm quite pleased with this. It worked out good. Okay, and this right here. Okay, there we go. And right here, this pot, I'll soak it in water. Wash it a little later. And I'll just unplug this. Okay. Cover. I just rinsed it, so that's it. This has been cooking rice. Very simple, easy, and cheap method.